Namaste Yogis. Udgeeth pranayama. Have you ever heard that with one pranayama, you can control over your senses? And this is possible if you're a serious yogi. If you are even a beginner, you're practicing means a serious in the sense of a regular practitioner who wants to learn. So this video is really for you. Now we'll come back on my topic. Udgeeth pranayama. Udgeeth is a Sanskrit word. Udgeeth means we are chanting, we are calling those cosmic powers. So I would say please stay there, watch full video, then you will get all the information how to practice this pranayama, how to call those energies, and how you become light, how you become spiritual. So thank you for watching my channel. If you're a new subscriber, please press the subscribe button. You always get notifications. Udgeeth pranayama is basically it's practice in a comfortable pose. You may sit in any posture. Legs cross pose is very beneficial. Or Vajrasana, it depends where you're focusing. But for Udgeeth, there are three words. What we are chanting, these are called U, A, Ma. So basically this is a voice we are calling in the universe. The purpose of mantras, as we know, mantras, they have a meaning. So Udgeeth is basically a chanting, it's a mantra. We are calling those three energies. There are three energies. U has a meaning, A and Ma. As we know, Brahma, he created the universe. So with U, we are calling, we are recalling, we are pulling that energy of Brahma. We are calling with U. A is for Vishnu, who is taking care of the universe, and Ma is for Shiva. So with Ma, especially for yogis, because yogic practices are dedicated to Shiva. So Ma, so when we come to Ma, it's basically the vibrational mode. And if you know the meaning of Hatha Yoga, it's just to follow your own vibrations. You sit in any comfortable pose, your back is straight, shoulders are aligned. Whenever you inhale, means we are taking that prana in, and then we practice Ma. There is a proper sequence, so I will show you how to pull that energy with U, how to bring that energy for A, and how to use Ma. So as you sit in your posture, you concentrate on your breath. You will take a deep breath. What happens, it seems, if you will hear this mantra, this word, it feels like Om. And Om is also a combination of U, A, Ma. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, or Shiva. It has that combination of those three. What are you doing? You are calling all those cosmic powers. And to grow in yogic world, what is the purpose? You're leaving this physical body behind. You're awakening your inner self. And what is the inner self? You, who you are. That is your real way to practice. So with this Ujjayi breathing, we are recalling those names. I will show again how to practice. So your good posture, any comfortable pose. Whenever you will exhale, so inhalation will be one. With that single exhalation, ooh, so this area, the lower body, your Apan Vayu, your central body, your Saman Vayu, and Ma, Udan Vayu. Udan means the upper. There are 5 kinds of prana, 5 kinds of sub-prana. So you may put in your comments if you are interested to learn about prana. I will also bring that topic because you always get this authentic information of yoga. Like in Om chanting, you always hear more is getting deeper. So as much you're bringing this awareness, so you start with U, the energy flow go on longer, and Ma is like longest. So these three words, try with Udgeeth pranayama. And now the question, how long, how many times, or how many repetitions of Udgeeth? So for a normal practitioner, at least 5 to 11 times. 11 number is very good in all yogic practices. So you may try at least 11 numbers. Benefits of Udgeeth. Udgeeth is so nice, as I mentioned. If you're a serious yogi, Udgeeth gives you same concept of Hatha Yoga, means you are generating your vibrations to follow. And these vibrations you get with the asanas, with pranayama, and mantras have a lot of power. So this is the main practice of Udgeeth. There are several physical, mental benefits, but this is for your spirituality. So for the physical benefits, it's very good for deep sleep. People who are lacking of sleep, they have the problem of insomnia. So for insomnia, it directly hits. It hits to your brain and it makes your brain calm. People who are losing memory, so to improve memory, it's like a booster. The third, for your physical formation, you're not so sincere, you're not attentive, you have that tendency that your fluctuations, that your mind is fluctuating. So Udgeeth is very good for that. Yoga with Adrenaline, she also mentioned in her videos that this energy, this calling is very powerful. Swami Ramdev, he always describes Udgeeth pranayama, and this is a very auspicious practice. It prepares you physically. You are calm, you are relaxed, you are so comfortable. This is so effective for the stress. There is no stress after that. There is no tension. It makes you so delighted, so light. And mental benefits. Mental benefits is it brings that calmness, that cooling. You are so relaxed. And of course, the spiritual part, as I mentioned, it brings that spirituality inside of you. It allows you to grow in that spiritual world. Because what is a spirituality when you have that sense about yourself, that who you are, what you should do, what is good for you. So this is the practice of Udgeeth. And please, if you like the video, press the like button, put your comments below, share video, and also subscribe. And I will bring the very interesting topics again. For that, namaste.